Day 2.
Okay, well, this is day 2. This is your car audio fundamental course, a groundwork of how to get into car audio, be a technician, or start your own side business as a technician. This course will be absolutely free. I'm trying to keep the glare out of the glasses, but you know how it goes. So what I'm going to do, I put it all, on paper or whatever, but I'm going to go through some of the courses or topics that we're going to go through. This is, in my opinion, sequential. So we're going to start from the very basic, learn the concepts, and start building upon that. Now, I have made this quite lengthy because I've taken all of the MECP certifications and combine them into one learning course. So you're getting pretty much everything that you will learn through those courses without certification. Now you can use this course to go ahead and take the classes and get the certifications and use this as a study guide. So that's where we're going to go right now. We're going to start out with fundamental knowledge. And position A, I have electronic principles. We're going to talk about Ohm's law, voltage, current, resistance, and power, series and parallel connections, and understanding wiring diagrams, DC and AC current, grounding principles, fuses and circuits, and circuit protection, and then battery and charging system fundamentals. Position B, we have sound waves, frequencies, amplitude, and decibels, understanding load and capability, speaker types, amplifier classes. So there's a B, a AB, and a D, power ratings, and then RMS versus peak power, crossovers, passive and active, and then frequency ranges. Section C, we have vehicle integration, vehicle electronic systems, wiring harnesses, factory integration. We have understanding vehicle schematics and service manuals, safety procedures for working on vehicle electrical systems, dash disassembly and reassembly techniques, and getting the radio in and out of the car. Next, we have installation techniques, head unit installation, and I'll just go over the soft points because this gets into the next section. That was just portion 1. But I have 2 and 3. So section 3 is advanced system design and tuning. So anybody that wants to know how to design car audio system, so deciding on an amplifier, deciding on a radio, deciding on speakers, deciding on pass over or crossovers if you want that, wire gauges, all that kind of stuff. So that's where we're at right now. I'm still putting it together, so bear with me, but this is day 2, my 30 days of car audio. So what I think we're going to end up doing is just going through everything I can think of, and then from there, turning around, refining it into sections that will consist of a month. So every week, we'll focus on a certain topic. So, for example, what I'm proposing to do for this week is start with fundamental knowledge. And let's say in week 1, we'll do Ohm's law, voltage, current, resistance, and power. And then week 2, we'll do series and parallel circuits and understanding wiring diagrams, looking at We'll say where something starts at on the wiring diagram and following all the way down to where you want to get to that fuse or that circuit that you want to take over, adjust, however you want to do it. And then week 3, DC, AC current, grounding principles, all that kind of stuff. So tomorrow we will start with electronic principles, and we'll probably have a week of videos on that. So for all those that are ready to get started, let me know in the comments. Share this with anybody that wants to get into car audio or have a better understanding of how to do these things yourself, so you don't necessarily have to go to a shop. I've worked in shops for 5 years, and as of 2 or so days ago, got laid off. I'm not going to have that issue ever again. At least that's my goal. So I'm either going to teach people how to do it or use this as my resume to show that I know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. And I can help you know what you're doing and what you're talking about too. So I'll put all of, I guess, my credentials down below. I'm new to this video making thing. And we'll talk more about me later. I'll give you my expertise and all of my things that I like to do. Yeah. Thank you. Day 2. Bye-bye.